For somebody who's new to technology transfer, AUTM Essentials is a great way to get all of the content that you'll need to know and be successful in technology transfer. There isn't a professional school or degree for technology transfer, so this is it. This is the best way to get educated about technology transfer. And for those that are coming in new to the field, there is just no better course than AUTM Essentials.
Participating in the Essentials course gives you the opportunity to collaborate with new technology transfer professionals from all over the world. We have lots of individuals that come through scholarship programs to participate. We also have lots of individuals from the US that participate. That starts the careers for these individuals in the right trajectory.
All levels can gain something out of the course. We've had directors sit in the course that said, you know, I wasn't sure if I wanted to take it, but I did. I grabbed some pieces of information that were really helpful, and I met all these people, and it was well worth the time.
What Essentials gives us is the opportunity to come together and expand that horizon and all of a sudden realize we have this huge community of people that we can pull from to do our jobs better and advance our field as a whole.